How safe is X-ray inspection of food? Food manufacturers are under high pressure to ensure their products are safe. Despite this, some food manufacturers still have reservations about adopting X-ray inspection as a method of product inspection. They're worried their staff will object to bringing X-rays into the workplace, or that consumers might switch to brands not subjected to X-ray inspection. But whichever way you look at it, food that's passed through an X-ray inspection system is as good and tasty to eat as it was before it was scanned. Radiation is often regarded as dangerous, but the reality is that it is part of our everyday lives. X-rays are one of several naturally occurring sources of radiation. The combined effect of these sources is known as background radiation, which humans have been exposed to since the beginning of time. Naturally occurring X-rays come from outer space. Our daily dose is small because the atmosphere filters most of it out. The filtering effect declines with altitude. Those who fly absorb more X-rays than those who stay on the ground. From the point of view of occupational exposure, the accrued radiation dose is the most important measure. Occupational exposure limits are given in terms of the permitted maximum dose, which is measured in sieverts. As exposure levels are low, smaller units like microsievert, a millionth of a sievert, are more commonly used. For the average human, natural background radiation contributes about 2,400 microsievert of radiation in a year from natural sources. This exceeds the radiation exposure received from an X-ray inspection system used in the food industry. The typical maximum dose rate immediately adjacent to an X-ray inspection system is less than 1 microsievert an hour. So what is the difference between X-ray inspection and food irradiation? Food processors use X-rays in two different ways: to inspect for foreign bodies or product defects, and to destroy bacteria. The process to destroy bacteria is known as food irradiation and involves radiation doses up to 10 million times bigger than those used in X-ray inspection to inspect for foreign bodies and product defects. X-ray inspection of food doesn't cause it to become radioactive, just as a person doesn't become radioactive after having a chest X-ray. There is scientific evidence to show that X-rays don't harm food. A 1997 study by the World Health Organization, WHO, confirmed that food radiation levels up to 10,000 sievert don't affect food safety or nutritional value. Food that passes through an X-ray inspection system spends about 250 milliseconds in the X-ray beam. The levels are so low that organic food can be subjected to X-ray inspection with no diminution of its organic status. X-ray systems provide unsurpassed detection of foreign bodies and product defects, without affecting the food or the people who operate the equipment. It is fair to say that X-ray inspections are a force for improving the safety and quality of food, not reducing it. For more information and to download a detailed white paper or on-demand webinar on how safe is X-ray inspection of food, please visit eaglepi.com.